What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King Infinity, and I'm back with another video. And today it's going to be a very different video. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I achieved this picture. I've been getting a lot of questions on Instagram about how I did those pictures, like people harassing me for tutorials, and today I'm just going to give you guys a tutorial. Stay tuned, we're going to get it cracking from there. So before we begin, I would like to encourage everyone that's new to subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications, and visit those social media links down below to become part of my community and my gang on the downloads. Shout out Blueface. You already know, man. Yeah, I would also like to thank all of my new subscribers. I'm overwhelmed. All the people that believe in me, all the people that think I'm funny, and all the people that think I look like ugly God. I would like to thank all of you guys for subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, watching my videos, and I just want to let you guys know I have a lot in store for you guys. I have a lot in store. So I'm not gonna ramble on anymore. We just gonna jump straight into this video.
You know, you actually do look like ugly God.
What did you say, nigga? What do you say to me?
I mean, if you really look in the face, like you zoom in, like towards the eyes with the glasses, you
do. I look like this guy to you?
You do.
Currently, we're at the palm trees right now. That's the name I gave this place because, as you can see, there's a lot of palm trees around. Two main things you're going to need for this effect: a steady surface or a tripod. You just have to keep the camera locked down. And the second item is a stool or an item to lean on. A little confession that I have is for that first levitation picture, I leaned on a garbage can. Yeah, I took that picture in October, which was Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and that is why the picture was kind of on the pinkish side. What you will want to do is, first you will want to get a clean slate, and then get a picture of you on the stool. And I'm going to demonstrate that right now. So it actually started raining a little bit and I didn't want to get my equipment wet, so we switched the locations. It's kind of a bummer because I wanted to take this picture where I took the first picture, but it could be done anywhere. So I'm just going to take it in this hallway. We're going to get jumping from there. So I actually ended up turning the camera around because I like how this end of the hallway looked better. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to mark where you want your picture to be taken. So you're going to want to take the stool, bring it over there, focus it, and then move out of the way. You're going to want to take the stool and move it out of the way, and then take your clean slate picture. And then after that, you're going to want to come back, put the stool back where you wanted it to be, and then lay on it, and then take that picture, and then boom, there you have it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. After that, you just take the two pictures and we head over to Photoshop. So now that I have my two images imported on Photoshop, I placed the clean slate under the picture of me. I'm just gonna move that. I placed the clean slate under the picture of me, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop the opacity of the picture of me so I can line it up. Actually, it looks pretty lined up to me. What you want to do is select your layer, cancel that. Select your layer and click this icon right here to create a layer mask. You want to go to your brush tool, right here, brush tool. Make sure your layer is selected, and you want to zoom in. Black is going to paint away, and white is going to bring it back. So let me show you an example of this. You want to hit X on your keyboard to switch the colors right here. White brings it back, X takes it away. So what you want to do is you want to paint it away. You can hit the bracket keys on your keyboard to make your brush bigger or smaller. And if you make a mistake, you just Command Z or Control Z on Windows. So you just paint it away. Make sure you're careful with it, but if you do make mistakes, the mistakes can be reversed. Just be sure you take your time with it. And also you can change your brush hardness right here. Right now the brush is at 50%, the way I like it. And I'm just going to continue brushing away the stool. So as you can see, I have these little spots right here where my shadow is erased. So what I like to do is, and this is just me, but what I like to do is that I just like to erase the shadow completely. And now this picture is ready for me to take it into Lightroom, finish my final edit, and it's ready for me to post. You can crop it any way you want to, but the ideal cropping for Instagram is 4x5, I believe, or 5x4. Whichever one it is, I'll put it right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you liked this video. Without further ado, this is the King signing off on the gang.